Imagine, if you will, a world where the majority of its inhabitants have brown eyes, a staggering 70 to 79%. Now consider this, only a mere 2% of the global population can claim to have green eyes. Fascinating, isn't it? But what's even more intriguing is the science behind these eye colors. You see, the color of your eyes is not just a random roll of the genetic dice. It's a complex interplay of genetic factors dominated by two main genes, OCA2 and HER2. The OCA2 gene, located on chromosome 15, is primarily responsible for producing a protein that helps give color to our hair, skin, and eyes. The more active this gene is, the more melanin it produces, and the darker the eye color. Brown eyes have the most melanin, while blue eyes have the least. Green and hazel eyes sit somewhere in the middle, with varying degrees of melanin. But it's not just about the OCA2 gene. The HER2 gene switches the OCA2 gene on or off. So even if the OCA2 gene is present, if the HER2 gene doesn't turn it on, the person will have blue eyes. Now, here's where it gets even more complicated. There are other genes involved too, and they can influence the color of your eyes in subtle ways. This is why we see such a wide spectrum of colors, including gray, amber, and even red or violet. And let's not forget about heterochromia, a condition where a person's eyes are two different colors. It's incredibly rare, affecting less than 1% of the population. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Firstly, brown is the most common eye color worldwide, making up 70 to 79% of the population. Blue eyes are significantly rarer, seen in only 8 to 10% of people. Hazel and amber eyes each make up about 5%, while gray eyes are even less common, found in 3% of people. Green eyes are a rarity, seen in only 2% of the global population. And red or violet eyes, along with heterochromia, are the most uncommon, each affecting less than 1% of people. In essence, the color of your eyes is a result of a complex genetic ballet with a dash of genetic luck thrown in. It's a fascinating glimpse into the incredible diversity and complexity of human genetics. So the next time you look into someone's eyes, remember, you're not just seeing their soul, but a beautiful, intricate story of genetics.